When the Metrolink train crashed near Chatsworth in September.
If they didn't get there on time, I wouldn't be here. Because I'd already said my goodbyes. I had made my peace, if you will.
You didn't think you were going to make it?
No. There was fire all around, and I was pinned onto the floor, and my legs were broke. And I just said, it's okay.
Just looked at him, and I said, bro, we're the fire department. And I cracked a big old smile, and he, found the energy to smile in this situation.
There was Grandpa to watch over him. I was in my hospital bed. Noah slept with me on this, right there.
They made a difference in my life, not just mine, but my whole family.
It's an opportunity to make sure that no tragedy like this will ever happen again. It causes no harm. It gives an opportunity to, in fact, do more the next time a cycle comes up. A legacy, just like these children. They're my legacy. That's Noah and Sienna, and I want to see them again.